Today I'm giving away money, $550 to be exact. Okay, it's not really me giving it away, it's trusty old Uncle Sam. And it's not just $550, it's $550 to each and every one of you. Okay, let me explain it. When I tell this to my friends, they're all in shock. So I figured I just got to put this on video and explain it for everyone to take advantage. Frankly, I'm in shock. I can't believe that this sort of tax loophole even exists, but it's true. Okay, let me start with the basics. So probably all of you are familiar with the Arizona tax credit when you donate to your kid's school. You can do $400 as a married couple. But what most people don't do is work through the math and see what that $400 tax credit really means. Here's what it really means. When you do that $400 tax credit, you get a deduction on your federal taxes. So when you do a deduction, it reduces your tax liability by whatever your tax bracket is. So essentially a $400 tax deduction is worth about $100. So when you donate $400 to your kid's school, you get a federal tax deduction of $100 and you get a Arizona tax credit of the full $400. So in the end, you donate 400 bucks, you get 100 back from the Fed, you get 400 back from the state, you actually make 100 bucks. So, make sense? Here's the big news. A lot of people are not aware, in 2016, Governor Ducey signed into law a couple other tax credits you can take advantage of. So here's the total. With the schools, you get 400. For qualifying charities, there's a list. You can go online and look up the Arizona qualifying charities for the tax credit. You can donate $800 to qualifying charities for Arizona. The third is qualifying foster care charities. You can donate as a married couple $1,000 to foster care charities. So you can do all three. All three is 2,200 bucks that you could donate to these organizations. So, just as a refresher, so on your federal taxes, you got 2,200 that you've contributed to these couple charities. You get a tax deduction, so you get the full about, say, I'm estimating like 25%. 25%, you get 550 bucks back on your taxes. Then you do your state with the Arizona state. That full $2,200 is a full tax credit. You get all $2,200 back. So by donating to these charities, you actually make money. You get the deduction and the tax credit. No brainer, no brainer, tax loophole, fuzzy math, whatever you want to call it. But everyone who pays taxes in Arizona should do it. So that's the disclaimer. In order to get the tax credit in Arizona, you actually have to owe Arizona taxes. Let me pause for a minute and show you some real numbers here. So as an example, I'm showing a person here that makes $100,000, adjusted gross income of $100,000. So without taxes, your income's $100,000. Federal tax on that amount would be $16,457. Arizona state tax would be $3,008. Your take home would be $80,535. So if you take advantage of these three deductions, the $2,200, basically you get the tax deduction. So now your income is dropped, it's deducted out. So your income would show as $97,800. Tax on that would be $15,907, so $550 savings. Now, that's the deduction part. Federal, you get the deduction. State, you get the Arizona tax credit. So that takes out a full $2,200 off your taxes. It's a dollar for dollar tax credit. So your tax liability would then only be $808. Your take home would be $81,085. So by donating to these couple charities, your take home actually increases. You're actually getting $550 extra in your pocket net. So I hope it makes sense. Email me, text me if you have questions, but everyone should be taking advantage of these three charities. Schools, 400, qualifying charities, 800, foster care charities, 1,000. 2,200 total, and you make about 550 bucks. Everyone should be doing it here in Arizona. Thanks.